In the digital age, when you can learn almost anything online, resources for hunters, especially beginners, are still sorely lacking. Deer hunting has changed my life for the better, providing an organic source of sustainably raised meat and eliminating the questions we've all learned to start asking about our food. What's in this? Where did it come from? Am I hurting myself or the environment by consuming it? Whitetail 101 was designed with two goals in mind for every student. If you're motivated to learn, we'll teach you not only how to responsibly acquire your meat and make it into food, but also why doing so the right way matters, and where you as a hunter fit in as a steward of the animals and their habitat. Learning to hunt doesn't just mean learning a set of skills. It's learning to ask better questions and draw the connections between all the things that are required to maintain your lifestyle. Whitetail 101. Connect with your food, connect with nature.